keep an eye on the humidity levels in section 4. Running diagnostics now. Everything looks green.
The bricks levels are stable at 14.5.
And the firmness is consistent across the batch. We can approve this lot for heat treatment.
Based on automated sizing and manual bricks testing, the robotic arm directs the flow. As the mangoes submerge, the robotic system ensures the water remains at the critical temperature, eliminating potential fruit fly larvae. The mangoes move onto a specialized conveyor system with foam rollers and high-speed air knives.
The color uniformity on this batch is exceptional.
Confirmed, well within the grade A parameters.
The robotic forklift precisely places the pallets of Golden Cat Chu mangoes deep into the automated stainless steel racking.
Temperatures are holding steady at 95 degrees.
Flow rate is consistent, looks good.
Make sure the Golden Cat Chu Mango drums are secured properly.
Yes, the chains are tight and the netting is in place.
Here we see the final step. The mango sorbet enters the spiral cryogenic freezing tunnel, hardening the product for distribution. In a dedicated section of the factory's juice line, the deep orange mango pulp is mixed with filtered water.
Robot arms meticulously stack the mango juice cartons, ensuring high volume out. The pallets are then securely
Utilizing advanced robotic automation, the vibrant mango pulp is precisely molded and cooled, ensuring visual consistency and a perfect gummy texture.
That's the mango gummies.
Yes, paying with the app. Thank you.
All right, manifest checked. Looks like we've got all 60 cases.
Perfect. I'll take it from here.
The rich, consistent quality of Product B mango juice, crafted with precision for your enjoyment.
The organized inventory confirms the professional reliance on this high-quality ingredient, demonstrating consistent supply and demand within the food service sector.
to the best mangoes ever. Cheers!
Mommy, this sorbet is so good.
This mango sorbet is amazing.
Absolutely delicious.
These mango ones are incredible. The texture is perfect, not too sticky.
The smooth, continuous flow of the finished mango products highlights the efficiency of the global distribution network.